Thank you for being with us on WFA and WFAA Plus. I'm Kara Sewell.
And I'm Mark Hischook, and there is a lot to get you caught up on as we brace for the winter weather here in North Texas. Getting right over to our meteorologist, Greg Fields. And Greg, we're talking timeline and how much we're looking at.
Yeah, we are going to be looking at some significant snowfall for some across North Texas. You mentioned that the winter storm watch has been upgraded for a large part of North Texas to a winter storm warning now. So we are talking about the winter weather that will be coming our way. Again, this time tomorrow morning, we will be dealing with this. So now is the time to prepare, and we'll be talking more about that. But there's the warning that does include the Metroplex, Dallas and Fort Worth, Denton, McKinney included in that as well, getting out to Rockwall. So we are talking about that winter storm warning in the pink shaded area. Widespread 2 to 4 inches of snow. There will be some locally higher amounts that could exceed 6 inches in some places. That will be very isolated, it looks like. But yes, we will have some wintry weather to deal with. So again, that winter storm warning is in effect. That's going to be Thursday and Thursday night that we're going to be dealing with. So we'll talk more about that for you coming up. In the meantime, let's get you out the door right now. 27 degrees, taking you on out to Fair Park. That wind chill 19. So not as brutal with the cold as it was just a couple of days ago earlier in the week. But we'll have those mid and upper 20s around, heading out to McKinney at 27, 26 in Denton, along with Fort Worth, and we factor in those winds. Those wind chills going to be down in the mid and upper teens, so not quite as bitter with the cold here heading out the door this morning. Now we'll keep it dry still for today with the partly to mostly cloudy skies. Then you'll notice those temperatures, they do bounce back a little bit with those light north winds at around 5 to 10. We'll warm up to around 40 degrees or so later today. But it is tomorrow that we do have the WFAA weather alert days. It's going to be Thursday morning and just about all day on Thursday, ending late Thursday night through the early part of Friday. So that's going to be the win for you. The impact, we're talking about snow and sleet, that wintry mix, maybe upwards of 2 to 4 inches. But as you just saw, we will have some locally higher amounts that we will talk about. And a little farther south, we will have maybe a little bit of an ice coating, maybe getting up to about 1/10 of an inch. So prepare for some hazardous travel, the slick roads and bridges, and pay attention to the forecast because we will be making almost constant updates over the next couple of days. We'll have more on all this coming up in a few minutes. But now let's check traffic over the station.